this last one is true. Still, these don't mean. Hey, check these too. These ones are harvest, monster, and finally, farm. This is.
It's a message to us from the outside, hidden from everybody else. I think we can at least trust these.
You sure?
I tend to be more suspicious than others. Yeah. It's possible this Minerva guy could be an ally to us. But unfortunately, we don't know if he's dead or alive. So we shouldn't get our hopes up too much.
You're always so negative. William Minerva. Someone from the outside who's aware that our farm exists. Well, but maybe indirectly, he's definitely trying to help us. That's right. An ally on the outside. He might even still be there. In which case, it's possible